In this video, I'll guide you through how to get real-time data on Webull. Or whether you're new to the platform or just looking to enhance your trading experience, accessing real-time data can give you a significant edge in the market. Let's dive in and see how you can do just that. First, you'll need to open the Webull app on your device or, if you prefer, access the platform on your desktop. Once there, make sure you sign in to your account. Webull offers a seamless experience whether you're on mobile or desktop, so choose whichever you're most comfortable with. By default, Webull provides free Level 1 market data for all users. This includes essential information like the latest stock price, bid price, ask price, and some basic market data. Level 1 data is typically sufficient for casual traders or those just beginning their trading journey, as it covers the fundamentals of stock pricing and market movements. However, if you're a trader who wants more detailed insights, you might consider going a step further with advanced market data. This includes Level 2 quotes, which provide deeper insights into the market by showing the order book, market depth, and more detailed information about supply and demand dynamics. Such data can be particularly useful for day trading or for those making rapid trading decisions based on real-time market fluctuations. To access these advanced features, you'll need to subscribe to Webull Premium or a Level 2 data package. You can easily find these options by navigating to your account settings or the market data section within the app. Take a moment to explore the available subscriptions, as Webull offers different plans tailored to meet diverse trading needs. Carefully review each plan to ensure it aligns with your specific trading strategies and goals. Once you've made your choice and subscribed to a plan, the advanced real-time market data features will automatically become available on your account. You'll be able to view detailed market insights that could prove invaluable in your trading activities. And there you have it, a straightforward way to get real-time data on Webull. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to make informed trading decisions with the most up-to-date market information at your fingertips. Happy trading!